Hi, this is Tosh from Califonia Design Firm, and today we are showing one of our products found at our store here in downtown Pomona called Califonia Design Firm. We do sell some photography accessories, and today one of the items we want to show you is a clever little hand strap for your cameras. Experiencing photography for the amount of time we've been involved with it. These suckers weigh a lot. This is again a 60 Mark II with a 24-105 lens on it, and the battery grip, which again this adds quite a lot of weight. So when you're doing shots and you're holding the weight against it and trying to stabilize your overall frame, that adds a lot of pressure right here onto the bottom area of your hand. So what you want to do is invest into one of these little guys here. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this. It's very, very simple to do. It goes into where your existing straps are located for your current camera. So the first thing we'll go ahead and do is kind of show you how to disassemble that. So to take off your strap, it's very simple. The thing is that because these have been put in through factory and stuff like that, and you probably haven't adjusted it since you've gotten it and put it on originally, it kind of holds its shape. So as you take it out, the memory will still retain itself, so it makes it a little easier for you to put it back in without being worried about, oh man, I forgot how this even went in. So first thing I'm going to do is take away all the safety harnesses. I want to push this loop back a little bit more, so that way I have some breathing room at the top, and just pull that down, and that way I have some room there. And then the bottom strap needs to be pulled up, so then we just go and pull that up through there, take it out. It's out of the first loop, pull it out. Basically we got our first strap out. Now we want to go ahead and just take off this band. So we have basically cleared off one side, and like I said, everything kind of holds its memory. This is going to go back this way, this is going to fall back this way, something like this. It's not too complicated. So let's go ahead and take out the secondary one. This is going to be same procedure. Give yourself some slack, give the top loop a hole, give it some room to grow, and then basically we take this loop, pull it out, and ta-da, pull this guy out, pull this guy out. So now we are strapless. What will we do? So basically our grip here is very wide in the size. I will be interested in seeing how far we can raise this buddy here with my battery grip. So we will do an ultimate test, an ultra test here. Keep giving it some slack. So again, similar to the other products, you're going to have basically a universal tripod hole there that you're going to be able to mount your camera to, any kind of tripod or accessories. For us, this accessory here, well, if you notice, there is a ridge to it right about here. So that little ridge there is going to be on the back side of the camera. So we're going to install this guy like this basically. So we want to go to the bottom of the camera, place it on here, just like so. Let's go and twist that cap. Basically, that's just mounting it to that little hole down there. Okay, so now the back of the grip is kind of, has something to pull against and gives it a little bit of tension. Now what we want to do is basically drive our strap up to the top here. So we give ourselves a little bit of breathing room. Looks pretty decent. Go ahead and loop our feet down. Now this is probably the trickiest part every time, either with the old strap or the new strap. Just gotta get that little thing to feed through on that first hole. And I'm gonna go through the top down, and it's a little bit easier to do that. I'm gonna pull ourselves. I'm gonna put my hand in here. That way I can feel what feels comfortable to me. So that feels pretty good like that. If I can get my hand to do that. So basically at this point, I usually just pinch it right there. As it's pinched, you kind of are able to know, where to hold it. You're just gonna go over the top of all these ribbons, just like this. Then you're gonna go back down underneath the second one here. So there's just a whole cluster of little rainbows. And basically that allows you to put your strap in very securely. So now let's test that out. Got my hand on my grip. I feel like I could go a little bit tighter than that. Let's go ahead and pull a little bit more slack out of there. To do that, again, you just want to pull from the bottom. You want to feed the slack out. So we're just going to reverse the whole task. Let's just say, usually to tighten it, you just need to take it out of that second band there. That feels a little bit more secure. So now what you do is just go ahead, you got it placed, and drive that ribbon through. You can hide it back into this little top concave circle. So again, how that looks like is, like this. Very, very clean. Looks good, very comfortable. And again, takes a lot of that weight off during your shoot. So again, you just take it over, put it over to your hand. Let's get it center. Now I got myself a nice strong grip. And that allows me to hold sideways. Right now I'm just going straight flat. I'm not, holding it by any means. And that kind of helps when you're traveling. You can just let the weight of the camera just hang, into your hand. It's also very comfortable. So, this is a very, very simple hand strap for your camera, mirrorless or a sensor base, even modifiable to some other cameras, compact cameras you can find out there. We are selling this here at Califonia Design Firm. They go for $15. And it's a great little add-on to your photography accessories. So again, makes a big difference for both short-term use and long-term projects. Just taking that weight off your wrist really makes a big value. It really gives you a little bit more stability holding it like that and allowing it to kind of travel over the entire hand instead of just pinching this bottom muscle here. So again, simple little hand strap from Califonia Design Firm. We're located in downtown Pomona, 330 South Thomas Street, Pomona, California. And again, $15. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please share it. Come by the shop, check out all of our other toys, art supplies, homeware, techwear, and hopefully you guys can come on by.